An image is not processed as pixels directly in vision transformers. It is first divided into 16 by 16 patches. Before that, for a long time, since the late 1990s, convolutional neural networks were dominating computer vision. They process images using sliding convolutional kernels, which focus on local information. But after the introduction of the transformer architecture in 2017, for text, researchers started asking, can we use the same idea for images? This is how the vision transformer was born. In vision transformers, the input image is split into 16 by 16 patches. Each patch is flattened and passed through a linear projection layer. This produces what we call patch embeddings. But there is a problem. The self-attention operation in transformers is order invariant. So the model has no idea about the spatial structure of the image. To fix this, we add positional embeddings. In the original transformer paper, they used sinusoidal positional encodings. But in vision transformers, they use learnable positional embeddings. Another important design choice is the class token. Along with the patch embeddings, we add a special class embedding. Here I have shown it using a star. This class token acts as a global aggregator. As information flows through the transformer, all the patch information gets mixed and the class token becomes the place where the global representation is collected. At the end, the output corresponding to the class token is fed into an MLP head, and the output of that MLP is used for classification tasks. So effectively, the transformer allows all image patches to communicate with each other. However, transformers are very heavy models. They are not very parameter efficient. So for small scale tasks such as IoT tasks or embedded systems, we still often use convolutional neural networks like ResNet or EfficientNet, or smaller versions of VIT such as VIT Mini. But despite this simplicity, vision transformers have revolutionized computer vision. Today, models like CLIP, Dino, SAM all use vision transformers as their main image backbone.